Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. There is a huge bullish development appeared on the monthly time frame chart that I want to show you today. And before that, I would like to show you my previous analysis that I shared with you. And there are some few more developments even on the smaller time frame chart as well. So let's start the analysis. And before this, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can use the link I have shared in the video's description to join me here. Now, first of all, let me just show you this daily time frame chart. And here previously we saw that the price action first broke out this 100 simple moving average and retested the 100 simple moving average and moved up, and here the price line previously was likely to be rejected by this 200 simple moving average, and now finally it has broken out, and now we can see that the price line is likely to retest the 200 simple moving average. At this time, the 200 SMA is at $45,049. If I place this trend line here at the same level, 45,049, and switch to this smaller time frame, to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we can see that we have already retested this 200 simple moving average that is at this level at this time on the daily time frame chart. Now, after breaking out the 200 simple moving average, if we watch here below the 200 simple moving average, this is also a very big development that we are going to receive a bull cross between the 25 and 100 simple moving averages. And every bull cross between the smaller time frame moving averages and the bigger time frame moving averages will produce the rallies towards the upside, as I have been telling you in my previous videos, that whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces a bullish move. And now we are witnessing these bullish moves. So first we received this 25 and 50 bull cross between the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, and now we are going to witness this bull cross between the 25 and 100 simple moving averages, and then the 25 will move more up and it will form the bull cross with 200. But I am waiting for the real golden cross between the 200, this yellow one, and this green one, which is the 50 simple moving average. That will be the real golden cross and buy signal. Even though this is a lagging indicator, therefore previously we have already seen that when this 50 simple moving average was moving down, then before this death cross, you can see that this death cross was formed here, but before this death cross we received a very strong bearish move towards the downside. Same as like that, we can see that before this golden cross we are witnessing this rally towards the upside, and after, when this golden cross will be formed, that will be the final hit to the bears, and then we will be completely in a bullish trend on the daily time frame. Now let's move to the 4-hourly time frame chart. Yesterday I was telling you that we have found a resistance line here on the 4-hourly time frame, and while the price action has broken out the 200 simple moving average, it has broken out this resistance on the 4-hourly time frame as well. And at the same time, while the price action is testing the 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame, it is also testing this resistance line. It was rejected here and here as well, and here the price action finally broke out this resistance and testing this previous resistance as a support. And now let's move to the monthly time frame chart, and guys, you will be amazed to watch this mega bullish signal that is being appeared on the monthly time frame. Here you can see that the price action went very close to the exponential moving average 21, and it is moving up. In fact, it has tested the exponential moving average 10 on the monthly time frame chart. This blue one is EMA 10, and you can see that the price line did not break down the EMA 10, went very close to this EMA 21 and moved up. Previously the price action did the same, and after testing this EMA 10 and 21 both, the price action rallied very well from $3,850 to $64,895. But this is not enough. Let me show you another indicator. I have placed the stochastic RSI oscillator here, and let me first remove it, and now we can see that here the price action rallied on the monthly time frame, and price line formed a higher low than the previous low, and the stochastic also formed a higher low than the previous low. Now the price line has again rallied, and here the price action has formed another higher low than the previous low. But look at this, the stochastic RSI has formed the lower low than the previous low. If I place this trend line, then it will be more clear and visible to you. And you can see that this stochastic RSI is moving to the right side now, and it has touched the oversold zone here and moving to the right side and going to give the buying signal that like we received buying signal here and here as well. And as per the Bitstamp exchange, this will be the third buying signal in the history of the Bitcoin from the oversold zone by the stochastic RSI. But if we take a look at the stochastic indicator, let me place the stochastic here, and you can see that stochastic is not doing this. The stochastic RSI works faster, give us the faster signals than the stochastic. Like the exponential moving averages moves faster than the simple moving averages, and we can get faster signals or early signals using the exponential moving averages. But the faster indicators and moving averages can sometimes give the false signal. But this is the monthly time frame chart. I'm expecting that soon it will be also reflected on this stochastic as well. Like the stochastic formed a higher low here after this low, and when the price action formed another higher low, the stochastic also formed another higher low. It is failed to form the lower low. However, the stochastic RSI is giving us this lower than the previous low. So that is the hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame, and this is the monthly time frame, very long-term time frame chart, and we can expect that soon it will be also reflected on the stochastic as well. And for the long term, this is a real mega bullish signal. After that, we can expect that soon the price action can also even break out this $64,000 resistance as well. This is very, very big bullish signal, guys. We are receiving the buying signal, going to receive the buying signal by the stochastic RSI, third time in the history of the Bitcoin from the oversold zone, and we are also having this hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame, and the price line has also tested the EMA 10 and almost EMA 21 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas which I'm sharing here on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.